Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, let's just head over and just click on the text that you want to change the font size into on your Wix. After that, just click on this edit text right here. Once you have click on edit text, it will open this text settings window. So you can change the text style, font, and also the font size right here. So for example, you want to just scroll and swipe in here and it will be able to change your font size, or you can also manually put in here a size that you think of. So for example, I want to put in here 40, then as you can see, it will look like that. You can also adjust how it will present on your website, like if you want to drag it until here and until here, just like that. And it totally depends on what font size you want to add. Then after you have done that, just click on publish right here. And then once you have clicked on publish, we should be able to see and publish the specific change that you did on your website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change font size on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!